This is Mara Rahman, and today I'm going to tell you why you should take marketing major in United International University. If you are a BBA student and you are confused that which major you should choose, then I'll tell you which one. Instead of taking other majors, why you should go for marketing. Because in marketing major, you can learn a lot of stuff in United International University. You can take a marketing major to develop transferable skills, data analysis, and communication. By choosing marketing, you can go for digital marketing to any other sectors to fix the pricing. It can give you the maximum number of avenue and you can fix the pricing more frequently. You can go for digital marketing to any other marketing sectors in future. You can choose marketing because it will not just help you for the educational purposes, it will also help you to grow your own business. So you should definitely go for that. So by taking marketing major, you can take integrated marketing, integrated communication, consumer behavior, service marketing, strategic marketing, brand management. I personally love those course brand management. Over there, I have learned a lot of things about how to make a brand more strong and more popular. And you can also take supply chain management, digital marketing. You can take global marketing, marketing analytics, and marketing research. You know the demand of marketing research. The demand is quite high all over the world. So the big question is in BBA, why you should go for major in marketing. Major in marketing is definitely going to help you to grow your business more further. Marketing helps companies sell products and reach customers. So you know that every single company wants you when you have the major in marketing. And also it's fun and creative. You can use new ideas, designs, and social media. You can use the marketing stuff more clearly, many jobs options there are for you. So you can work in sales, advertising, branding, or digital marketing. And there is a very high demand. Every company needs good marketers today. You know that, right? So learn about people. You understand what customers want. You can read customers' mind, and you can work with other subjects like it goes well with supply chain, finance, or management. You can improve your skills definitely, make you better at communication, planning, teamwork. You can do all this work more wisely. So that's the reason you should go for marketing. I hope now you can take a better decision in your life, and best of luck for your future. That was all from my side. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye.